Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can send crypto from Binance to Phantom wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, what you're going to be doing is simply going to go ahead and open up your particular Phantom app, get signed in. You're going to go back from over here to the home section, tap on this option of receive. Now the crypto what you would like to receive and what you would like to send from Binance, make sure to choose the same one and simply copy the address. Now you're going to go ahead and open up your Binance app. Once your app has been opened, you're going to go to the transfer section, tap on deposit crypto, and you're going to paste the address that you have just copied for the Bitcoin. Make sure to choose the same currency, which is Bitcoin, and the same from Phantom, and do the transaction, add in the amount, and you're good to go. You will be able to send cryptocurrency from Binance to Phantom like that. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.